In this video, I will show you how to add hyperlink in Word. To add a hyperlink, first select the text that you want to hyperlink. Then go to the Insert tab, click on Link, and then click on Insert Link. While existing file or web page is selected, put the URL in the address field. For example, if I am linking to gamespot.com, I would type http://www.gamespot.com. Or if you are linking to a YouTube channel, you type youtube.com/channel name. Then click on OK. Now, if you hold Ctrl button on your keyboard and click on the word that you just hyperlinked, it will take you to the website. In this case, it's gamespot.com. This is how you add hyperlink in Word. If you found this video helpful, like the video and subscribe.